All right, let's get detailed. Your cleanser. Your cleanser is there to cleanse your skin, to cleanse off the day, the debris, any buildup that you may have had, dirt and oil, as well as makeup. So you can use whatever cleanser you want. It's not anti-aging. CeraVe and Cetaphil are what our dermatologists recommend for cleanser. They're typically non-irritating. They're great for every skin type. Toner. You don't need toner, but if you're obsessed with toner, you've used it your whole life, by all means, use whichever toner suits you best. Scrubs. So scrubs are something that you don't need to splurge on. You just need to be careful which scrub you're using. You typically want to use a silicone-based scrub or just a round scrub, nothing that is using nuts or seeds, because those particular scrubs can cause microscopic scrapes on the surface of the skin. Just be careful and make sure that you read the back of the label and see what type of little scrub that you're using. All right, moisturizer. Moisturizer is just there to replenish the hydration in your skin. You only need it when you need it. So if you feel dry, add some moisturizer. If it's the middle of summer, it's humid and it's hot, don't moisturize on top of that. You're going to end up with clogged pores and you're going to train your skin not to produce as much oil, and that oil is what keeps your skin young. Lastly, SPF. Unless you have super sensitive skin, you can just use any SPF. Again, I'm gonna go back to CeraVe and Cetaphil because that's what our doctors at the Dermatology Center recommend. And I've seen really good luck with that really over the last 10 years. So that's been a good one. It's tried and true. If you have particular cleansers, toners, scrubs, moisturizers, SPFs that you absolutely love, that you find over the counter at a nice department store, no problem, use what you like. All I'm saying is this is where you can save. Let's jump into your splurge. Your splurge. You're gonna splurge on anti-aging products that include growth factors, vitamin C serum, retinols, glycolic and lactic-based acids, as well as anything that's gonna be for correction. So if you're correcting pigment, acne, or just lax skin, you really wanna see a difference with how you continue to age, you're going to splurge on these products because the active ingredient in these particular products, and by the way, they need to be pharmaceutical grade in order to make them super effective. Pharmaceutical grade products have science backing up all of their claims, and they had to go through the FDA in order to have the high percentage of active ingredient that they do contain. Everything else that's over the counter, even if they're charging you an outrageous amount for it, it's simply marketing. They might have something that they absolutely love, but they actually do not have to follow through with what they claim. So that's really important to know. I hope this is exceptionally helpful for you. Let me know what you'd like to know next. I am going to be talking about microblading next week or possibly even the week after, so stay tuned. If you like this, if this was helpful, give me a thumbs up. I want to hold your hand through this. I think it can be really confusing. I hope you have a fabulous Wednesday, and I hope today you are a believer in yourself. All right, represent.